Meet Keith and his dog, Abby. Abby's the owner and operator of Abby's Auto Sales. Well, okay, maybe she's the mascot. Okay, we all know you're in charge, Abby. Keith opened Abby's Auto Sales last year. They always work hard to find a car perfect for you and your budget. Recently, things have changed. Car ownership is declining, competition is fierce, and ride-hailing services are taking the market share as well. They need to go out of the way and market their personalized service that their customers truly love. However, marketing is something Keith and Abby are not comfortable with, and that is where I come in. I help clients like Keith and Abby propound their voice by creating a marketing video that helps get the message across. Contact me to experience a one-stop solution for all your marketing video needs. That's at fiverr.com/Kiara Winston.